Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna answer a question: is HP OmniBook X a good laptop? So in my opinion, as I tested it, it's very good laptop. It does great job at multitasking. You can play light games on it and it works perfectly fine. It has ARM processor, but so the Windows installation is kind of tricky, but you still can do it. And yeah, that's it. I really spent some great times on this laptop. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.